everyone! In this quick video, let's understand OOP in Python. OOP means Object-Oriented Programming, a way to structure your code using classes and objects instead of writing everything in functions. Think of a class like a blueprint, and an object is the real thing built from that blueprint. Here's a simple class called dog. It has a constructor, hierarchy, init, enos, that sets the dog's name and breed, and a method called bark that makes it woof. We then create an object of the class, myDog, and boom. Our dog can now bark and tell us what kind of dog it is. This makes our code more organized, reusable, and closer to how we think about things in the real world. And that's just the beginning. With OOP, you can build entire apps more cleanly using concepts like inheritance, encapsulation, and polymorphism. Want to see how that works? Comment part 2 below. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more Python magic. Keep coding, and I'll see you in the next one.